492. 491. Yep. I'm cleaning everything here. I have my fireworks here. I'll do a demonstration later. These. But for now, I have to make space for the bus. This will go inside. See, these go over here. So the new bus can come in here without having issues. This, box will be a little bit like this, like that. Actually, a bit more in because it's too sticking out. Washrooms are gonna be there. This stuff will be cleaned up. So I think now it's time to attach this sign. So I'm just gonna put my phone on my bed. Hopefully it doesn't fall down. So I'm gonna use these. Oh, shoot, make sure it doesn't fall down. Put a bit more here just in case it falls down. So I'm gonna use these markers. So I'm gonna use these markers, which they don't work anymore. I could connect them. I was about to throw these away, but I can save these for some other things. Like if I'm out of sticks, then I can just use these markers. And I still need to. This one is broken, doesn't have a hole inside, but this still fits inside. These markers will not work, so no one is gonna ask me for these markers. These markers do not work, so nobody is gonna ask me for these markers just because they don't work. And I have to make sure that it's gonna be attached like that, but a bit more deeper, so I can rest on the Pringles can. This time I rest on the Pringles can, like here and here. I think I need one more because it's not gonna have enough support for the to stand the Pringles can. And here I have another marker. There we go. Now it's perfect. Now I just have to attach it here. Making this place so people can see things for visiting. Probably around like that. I'm not gonna use duct tape. I'm not gonna use Gorilla Tape because if I want to take it off, it will peel off. So I'm just gonna use clear tape for this, or some tape that I got the Home Depot. That'll be it for this video.